Good morning. Today is Monday, November 20th, 2023. Last week, I hosted our capital markets update and outlook for November. These monthly check-ins are your opportunity to look over our shoulder, get a sense for where we see things heading. Thank you to all of you who joined us in person for lunch or live online. We do appreciate you taking some time out of your busy schedule. If you missed it, the recording is now available on our website. If you have any questions about the stock market or the economy, please don't hesitate to reach out. We would love to address any questions that you have. As we celebrate Thanksgiving this week, please know that it is an honor and privilege to serve each and every single one of you. Thank you for this continued opportunity. There is so much to be thankful for from all of us at CCG. We hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Stocks extended their November rally last week as investors cheered lower than forecast inflation data. The Dow Jones Industrials Average gained 1.94%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 added 2.24%. The NASDAQ Composite Index rose 2.37% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, increased 3.36%. A better than anticipated consumer inflation number on Tuesday sent bond yields sharply lower, igniting a powerful, exceptionally broad-based rally that saw 91% of all New York Stock Exchange volume advancing in price, and a similarly substantial advance at 85% on the NASDAQ. Small cap stock performance was solid, surging 5.2%, more than double the advance of the S&P 500. Further gains came the following day as wholesale price inflation rose even slower than consumer prices. The rally paused in the final days of trading as stocks digested their gains and investors assessed weak retail sales and industrial production reports and a rise in continuing jobless claims. Two inflation reports released last week, the Consumer Price Index and the Producer Price Index, showed continued inflation progress. Consumer prices were flat in October from the previous month, while the 12-month increase was 3.2%. Both were below market forecasts. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy prices, also moderated, rising just 0.2% in October and 4% from a year ago, below forecast. The climb in the annual core CPI was the lowest in 2 years. Producer prices confirmed the disinflationary picture as wholesale prices declined 0.5% in October versus a plus 0.1% forecast. It was the biggest decline in 3.5 years. Over the last 12 months, wholesale prices rose just 1.3%. As always, we will continue to keep our finger on the pulse of the economy and the stock markets. This week's key economic data that we are watching includes tomorrow, Tuesday, a report on existing home sales, as well as those always important FOMC minutes. Wednesday, we have a report on durable goods orders and jobless claims, as well as consumer sentiment. And then wrapping up the week on Friday, we have the Purchasing Managers Index Composite Flash. With SmartMix, we primarily invest in individual stocks, cutting out the many hidden costs that can be found in today's investment products. Some of the individual stocks that we are watching this week include the names here on the screen. So if we are not investing your life savings for you, you can learn about our low-cost, fully transparent, and personalized approach at smartmixportfolios.com. That's it for today. Thank you so much for staying until the end. I have another riddle for you. Again, if you are the first person to post the correct answer down below this video in the comments section, we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. So today's riddle is: a man tells you there are 12 seconds in a year. This sounds absurd, but in what sense is he correct? Again, be the first person to post the correct answer down below this video in the comments section, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. If you'd like the answers to previous week's riddles, head on over to our website /riddles to find those out. And then lastly, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update. This update includes more than what I talked about here this morning, including our very popular tax tip, our weekly tax tip. This week's tip includes tax considerations you may want to have when starting a hobby. So if you have a hobby, if you're starting a hobby, pay attention to this week's tax tip. If you like this email and you are not getting it, you may subscribe to this email at our website, www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.